what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to mount our computer monitor on the wall, and hopefully this may help you. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, we are inside the office now, and there is our HDMI cord as well as our power cord. And very important, YouTubers, do not buy cables that are not in-wall rated. That is for proper code and safety of you and your house. So again, make sure you purchase in-wall rated and coded cables for this project. And here is the wire that the security company ran through the walls. They drilled this hole and then fed this cable inside the wall and through the wall down to the drop ceiling portion of our lower floor. And before they did that, they drilled a hole down below so they could see up into the wall and see where the wire was coming from and then grab it and gain access to it. And here is our monitor mount, and we made a separate video on how to mount this, and in that video it talks about this mount and its features. Definitely check out the link scrolling above if you're interested in that. However, what we're going to do is use the tip of this cable, and we are going to tape one end of the HDMI cord as well as one end of our power cord to this and then feed it through the wall. Making progress, what I did was I put the power cord at the very top and offset with the HDMI cord so I can feed one cable through at a time, because if you had them level or flush with each other, it increases the size of what needs to go through the hole. And the only drill, the 1 3/8, kind of crooked, but hey, it's gonna work. And also at the very opposite end is our connection point for our monitor. That has to be at the top. So obviously we are not going to insert that end and feed it down. From here, what I want to do is take you downstairs and show you what we're looking for. Downstairs in our bathroom, and believe it or not, the access point that they drilled is right above the shower. And there it is. As you can see here, the cable comes all the way down and through that hole. And so what we'll do is carefully feed those cables through the wall upstairs in the office and patiently wait for them down below. Down off the ladder, and check that out, YouTubers. Coming in here, and what we will do is feed the cables above the ceiling and feed them in line with the cables already secured to the studs and then down to our DVR. Slowly and carefully. Make sure you angle it down as you insert it. And if it gets bound up or caught on anything, pull it back up a little bit and refeed it. Back down below, carefully pull that cable down, and if it gets tough or bound up on something, don't pull it hard because you do not want it becoming disconnected inside the wall. I'm starting to see orange, and just carefully try to find the tip and pull it through. Carefully pull the cables through. Check that out. And from here, we've got the bathroom wall, and what I'll do is turn the cords 90 degrees and feed them over to where the DVR is. And what we will do is remove that from the HDMI and power cord. However, we are going to keep the two HDMI and power cord connected with the tape. There's no reason to continue feeding this cable through the ceiling when it's right here. Down off the ladder, there's the cord. And to make things easier, I've also opened up an access panel on the other side of this shower wall to help me move the cables to where they need to be on the opposite side of this wall inside here. Quick update, YouTubers, it is going very well. And as you can see, it goes all the way. From here, what I want to do is secure it properly to make it look more presentable. Back inside the bathroom, coming back up the ladder, and I just used standard zip ties, and I left a little bit of play so you can still move the wires. And I fed them to the room next door. Down off the ladder, going to the opposite room. Let's climb the ladder. And the cool thing is I do have some extra cable, both power cord and HDMI cord, and they are plugged into their respective points. And I have them in line with the cables, as you can see here. And as you do this, just make sure none of your wires rest on any water lines. You don't want those causing damage to anything. So again, just spend a couple minutes and make it as presentable as you can. Back in the office, and I wrapped the HDMI cord as well as the power block cord over the mount just to alleviate me accidentally pulling it inside the wall. And what I will do now, because I have a lot of extra in-wall rated cable, I'm going to pull this cable back out because this is the power cord block that comes with your monitor, and that is not rated for inside the walls. So what I'm going to do is pull it back out and wrap it in a circle and zip tie it. And as far as the power block, I'm going to Velcro this basically right there and secure the monitor. And that link that was scrolling above earlier that I mentioned shows you the step-by-step process on how to mount that full motion mount on the wall. It will show you all of that. So again, you may find it very helpful. YouTubers from here, we hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see the thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.